Let's begin by first finding out where you can download the Salesforce Events App. The Salesforce Events App is available on both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. Using the Apple App Store as an example, you can find it really easily by searching Salesforce. And you'll very quickly find the listing from which you can download it and then open it. This Now page tries to tell you what events are happening now. And you'll notice that there are a number of events that you can choose from. For today though, we're going to focus on the World Tour 2018 Sydney event. You can find all the details you need to log in within an email sent from Salesforce. Check your inbox for these details and reach out to us if you have any questions. Login though is a breeze, and it can be done through, first off, finding your Reg ID in the email that we've sent, and then clicking login and typing in the numbers after the R from your Reg ID. So if I very quickly go into my email, I'll see that I'll get an email that looks just like this, and it's very easy to tap login, and just like that, I can now build my own personal agenda. We have a couple of sections on the bottom here. My agenda really helps me break down my day into specific things that I want to do at specific times. But there are a couple of gaps. And if I want to fill a gap, I can very easily tap add a session, and then it'll bring up all the options for sessions that I can add. Like, for example, our keynote at 9:40 a.m. that morning. To add a session, all I need to do is press star. And there we go. That new session is actually into my agenda. But how do I actually build my agenda from scratch? If I go into schedule, I'll very quickly be able to see all the sessions that are happening at this event on this day. So I would very much encourage people to use the filters. These filters break the sessions down into themes, into roles, into industries, and into products. And if I, for example, want to find all the sessions that talk about Pardot, it's very easy for me to scroll down, select Pardot, apply the filter, and then rather than having to scroll through 144 sessions, I scroll through just the specific sessions for Pardot. If I want to see everything again, I just have to click filter, clear, and then suddenly I can see everything again. I cannot emphasize enough how helpful this More tab is, and in particular, this event info section. This section called Event Info has all the really important information, like the event maps right here, or the Wi-Fi details, how you can join the free Wi-Fi on the day, or even just the high level agenda so that you know roughly what's going on when. The Salesforce Events app is also available on an Android phone. It looks a little bit different, but it does exactly the same job. If we look down here, you'll still see the tabs for My Agenda, Schedule, and Sponsors. But if you want to be able to change the event, from example, from Dreamforce to Salesforce World Tour Sydney, you go and find the event selector here. Also, if you want to find more information about the event info, it is also available just here.